Christmas. I drove all the way from Memphis, Tennessee. I drove all the way from Memphis, Tennessee, and now I'm back in Houston. You know what I'm saying? I never told her nothing, what time I was supposed to come. I just told her I couldn't make it for Christmas. You know, I gotta go out there and do some things, you know what I'm saying? And she was all sad and disappointed. But you know, I always find a way, man. That's one thing I can say about me, you know what I'm saying? Like, that girl really means a lot, you know what I'm saying? She really means a lot to me, you know what I'm saying? So, whatever I'm gonna do to put a smile on her face, that's what it's about. If she mad, then I'm mad. If she happy, then I'm happy. You know what I'm saying? That's how it is, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm finna pull up at the house. Y'all can see I'm in a Jeep. I don't really like Jeeps. The reason why I won't get a Jeep is because, like, they don't have no, like, they be wobbling and stuff like that and stuff. So 5 minutes, I'm pulling up right now, I'm finna exit. And we're gonna see our little reaction. So, I just made it. I just made it to the house. I'm finna go in the house right now. I'm so tired. But I'm finna go in the house right now, though. I'm going in the house right now as we speak. Chain coming up my damn backpack and stuff to see her reaction. Oh man, my damn board fell down. So guys, I just made it home. I'm gonna walk in and see. Hey, baby. I'm gonna suck. Oh, you gonna close on? Hey, baby. What's up, ballers? I don't feel too good. I don't feel good. She surprised me with y'all wanna see my first gift? Let me show y'all my first gift. Pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Y'all know what that is. No, shit.
I'm sleepy.
Sleepy, but y'all know what that is. I can't wait. I'm finna set, as soon as I wake up, I'm finna set it up. I do. She wanna open one of her first gifts. That's why she probably bring that to me. But I'm here. I surprised her. Christmas is tomorrow. So y'all stay tuned. We just got dressed, as y'all can see. I feel much better now. It is Christmas Eve. It is Christmas Eve. I am back. But yeah, man, we finna go run some little errands, as y'all know we usually do. Her mom's birthday tomorrow. You know we got to support the mother. Well, I have to support my mother-in-law. Of course, she's my favorite. But yeah, we finna head out, as y'all can see though. I haven't been home in a while, man. I always come here and it just don't look how I look when I left. You know what I'm saying? But it's gonna be all right. Cause she gonna get it, you know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna get it.
But look at my new wheel though, man. Jeep right there. This Jeep, I got my little baby right there. You know what I'm saying? She talking about she ready. And she ain't even come. Look at my new hot sign though, y'all. Check out our new sign. Check out our new sign. But yeah, man. What's up with it, ballers? What's up with it, ballers? So we just made it to James Avery. We here now. Bree just went and go ahead and go get in there to get her little first gift. I gave her the little thing, the confirmation and everything. She gonna see what it is. But I can't wait for Christmas tomorrow. I definitely got something big for her. And now, you know, you always gotta make your girl happy, to me, man. You know what I'm saying? So I wanna thank y'all just, you know, really tuning in on that too. And I wanna just thank y'all for just all that liking and comment. Of course, I always say that because we really truly thank y'all for that. Because if it wasn't for y'all, you know, we won't be doing this. And I really truly thank y'all for the support. We did a giveaway last week and stuff like that, man. Y'all just stay tuned on that for sure. Just stay tuned on that because we do give a lot of giveaways out and stuff. So if y'all ain't really looking at our social media, y'all might want to follow us. You know what I'm saying? It will be below the video, but I just want to thank y'all for that. But we finna just do this last minute shopping. I already did all my shopping. You know, it was kind of hard. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, it was kind of hard. It's just, I don't know. I feel like females, they so picky. Like I feel like I got everything for Bree, but this what I got her, I ain't never got, and I'm truly just waiting. Y'all just wait, man.
We got the cookies. We got the cookies.
Made it home right now.
We
tired.
got the cookies. Woo! It's cold.
I might get on that grill tonight. I don't know. Come open one of your gifts. Come open one of your gifts, y'all. She been crying about her gifts, y'all. So we just made it home. We didn't do too much today. I just got back. I'm feeling kind of tired, kind of sick. Took all this medicine, 2 Advils, some NyQuil, some Dayquil. I'm out of there, man. I don't feel too good, man. I just pray for me, man. Hopefully I don't got that stuff, but we gonna be good though, man. But tomorrow is the big day, Christmas. And we gonna see, y'all gonna see us in the morning though. We gonna get up early in the morning. So, there go baby right here. She got me a drone, my early Christmas gift.
Yep.
But
did you tell them your earrings? Them
earrings.
Expensive, where they at? Show them.
I ain't gonna show them the drip just yet. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow.
They got some real diamond gold earrings.
They saw from the last video when it passed, when he diamond tested. But yeah, man, y'all gonna see us tomorrow, man. Y'all just stay tuned and we see y'all tomorrow. Merry Christmas, and Merry Christmas. This our first year in our house, spending Christmas together. Man, I remember last year we was spending Christmas at somebody else's crib and stuff like that, but we here at our house celebrate Christmas. You know how much a blessing that is? You know what I'm saying? Draco, get off the carpet. Go. That is a blessing to say that we are spending Christmas at our own house. You know what I'm saying? And I want to thank y'all for, you know what I'm saying, for just, you know, watching us all the time and stuff like that. Baby finna open her gifts.
He already opened his.
I already opened mine.
Tell them what you got.
I got a drone. Draco, move. I got a drone, some earrings, this little Saints what you call that? Coaster.
Customized.
It's customized. And I got one more gift, and it ain't, I guess she said I ain't here yet or something, or is it is here? I'm gonna open it.
You got 2. One isn't here, and the other one,
but
get it later today.
We in the house about to celebrate Christmas, so let's get it started.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you,
so grateful. So grateful. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
So amazing. Girl, he is so sweet. Like, he literally spoils me. Okay?
Now let's go get this other gift.
Another one?
Let's go get this other gift.
Oh my gosh. Is this the last gift?
It's the last gift.
Are you gonna make me cry?
I'm gonna make you cry.
Too.
I love my family. Like, this is my family. I just got a dog.
The last gift.
I got a dog, hold on, a dog and a girl. So that's my family. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah.
I don't know what it means, but there's a smile upon your face, and I see something shimmering in your eyes. And they say if you want to glimpse the future, you need space. And you said you'll put down your morning guns. Would you follow me to wonders? Take my hand and walk beside me in a world of thunder. Fear is an imposter. When you look at me this way, I find it hard to not give in.
Stop playing with her. And she got the. Oh my God, check it out.
So the days became weeks, it felt just like the night before.
2021, brand new,
You were slowly
fully loaded.
fading in my
She said she
mind.
wants the red brakes. On it, I'm gonna go ahead and get
When you
that.
left, I was so completely gone, but now I'm sure
Nice. I love it. Like,
you were
oh, this is what I
some
like
of
about
the
the car. Really,
best
these
of
little
things
side
to find.
skirt things. I like them. Look. Draco.
You like my new car? You're finna be rolling, Papa.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna be easy though.
Trey got rid of my
You
shoes.
follow me to wonders.
No, I'm not.
If you're everything that matters to me, makes me wonder why
Bro, you be knowing what you saying.
over.
Come on, come on, come on. Ooh. Go get her, Draco. Go get her. Make sure you tell me that.
Trey. Okay, guys, so we've had our little Christmas with our little family. My baby.
Let me show y'all what I got, because y'all probably ain't gonna see, but
We are gonna go eat at our mom's house.
sorry.
With my mom. We're gonna show y'all how baby.
I'm sorry.
We're gonna show y'all how it worked later. But we're gonna go eat.
Then she got me these. Vietnam.
Let me see.
Oh yeah. Then she got me this. Then she got me this. Got me this. Then she got me this. You know I had to get these. You know I'm can't wait. And she got me this right here too. And then she got me this.
We got it, baby. We got it. We got it.
But thank y'all.
We're gonna go eat at my mama's house. Eat. But y'all, this was a great Christmas. It really was.
But make sure y'all like.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video.
And hey, don't forget.
Don't forget, don't skip them ads.
Don't skip them ads. And don't forget to invest in yourself before you invest into another man, for real. And we gone! Yeah!